Hello everyone, welcome to ESET classes channel. Today I will handle slightly different type problem, so I will show you. Please watch full video. Guys, this is Vivo V5C. It has auto restart problem, as you can see, like automatic on and automatic off continuously, just like shown in this video. So guys, you must check before install new software. First find out whether the problem is software or hardware. Like this phone has hardware problem, I show you. Basically there is a fault has a reason due to short power key, guys. Simply I removed the on off flex from the motherboard. Now you can see problem is gone. It's working. It means we have to need to change the power switch. Guys, let's get started. Faulty switch has been replaced. And problem has solved. Thanks for watching. See you soon.